thank you for joining us on ERi-TV for English News Broadcast. We wish you all a happy Easter. Here are stories making headlines today. Graduation of Sawa Technical School took place. New dam under construction in Makarka administrative area. Israel-Gaza war, Israel rejects Hamas demands. Brazil landslides and flooding killed dozens. Technical students who went to Sawa as part of the 36th round of the National Service graduated on 4th of April. The students have undergone 6 months of political and military training in Sawa. The graduation ceremony was attended by Major General Ramadan Usman Awliai, commander of the Eritrean Defense Force Training Center, along with senior commanders and staff from the National Service Training Center. During the event, Major General Ramadan Usman Awliai highlighted the significant investment the government is making in the youth, aiming to nurture competent individuals who will ensure the continuity of the countries and its future generations. He emphasized that applying the knowledge gained in the nation-building process and passing it on to the future generation is not just a choice, but a citizenship responsibility. Colonel Debesai Gide, commander of the National Training Center, noted that the students are graduating having completed the requisite military and political training, as well as physical and sports training, among other disciplines. He especially commended the strong participation of female students. The event also included various cultural, artistic, and other programs. Awards were presented to outstanding students in several categories, including military, prowess, and discipline. A new dam aimed at alleviating water supply problem for both humans and livestock, as well as supporting irrigation farming, is currently under construction in the Makarka administrative area. Engineer Misgun Anda Haimanot, the project coordinator, mentioned that the dam will have the capacity to hold 170,000 cubic meters of water and will significantly contribute to the overall development of the area. Mr. Abraham Hagos, administrator of the Logoan Sawa sub-zone, emphasized that the project is part of community-based development programs. He urged residents of Adi Dasham, Makarka, and Warhisab to maintain their strong participation until the project's completion. In related news, another dam is being constructed in Ramoda, Central Denkalia. Mr. Ali Igahle, administrator of the administrative area, stated that this dam, capable of holding over 280,000 cubic meters of water, will serve the residents of the administrative area of Mabra and Afambo, as well as some villages in southern Denkalia. He also noted that the dam will significantly alleviate potable water issues for both humans and livestock and aid in the development of irrigation farming. Ambassador Mohammed Said Manta, governor of the Southern Red Sea region, recently visited the project and was briefed on its progress. Stay tuned for international news. Negotiation aimed at brokering a pause in Israel-Gaza offensive in return for the release of hostage area is continuing. The main sticking point appears to be if the truce will be permanent, as Hamas insists, or not. Today, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said he could not accept Hamas's demand. He said the proposed deal would keep Hamas in control of Gaza, posing a threat to Israel. The discussion involves a 40-day pause in fighting while hostages are released, and the release of number of Palestinian prisoners being held in Israel jails. Hamas said the group was looking at the latest proposal with full seriousness, but repeated a demand that any deal would have to explicitly include an Israeli withdrawal from Gaza and complete end to the war. The Israeli government faced mounting pressure at home. Thousands of Israel rallied yesterday night calling for a deal to bring hostage home. Protesters in Tel Aviv chanted, "War is not holy, life is," with some accusing Mr. Netanyahu of aiming to prolong the conflict in Gaza. Yesterday's demonstration in Israel were the latest display of the increased domestic pressure Mr. Netanyahu is facing to secure the return of the hostages. Massive flooding and landslide triggered by days of heavy rain in Brazil's southernmost state have killed 57 people. This is according to local authorities. Officials say another 74 people are missing in Rio Grande do Sul. Nearly 25,000 residents have been forced to leave their homes since the storms began last Saturday. At least 500,000 were without power and clean water, with further rainfall expected. Rio Grande do Sul Civil Defense said 57 deaths were confirmed as linked to the floods, while another 7 deaths are being investigated to ascertain if they are connected. The extreme weather has been caused by a rare combination of hotter than average temperature, high humidity, and strong winds. More than half of the 497 cities in the state have been affected by the storm, with roads and bridges destroyed in several areas. Brazil's National Institute of Meteorology attributed the increased intensity and frequency of rainfall to the climate phenomena El Niño. Before we go, we have a quick recap of the top stories. Graduation of Sawa Technical School students took place. New dam under construction in Makarka administrative area. Israel rejects Hamas demands. Brazil landslides and flooding kills dozens. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.